Traveling often means staying in unfamiliar places, and ensuring your safety in a hotel is a critical aspect of a stress-free trip. While most reputable hotels prioritize security, travelers can take proactive steps to protect themselves by carrying specific safety gear. These items help you stay prepared for potential risks, such as theft, intrusions, or emergencies. Below is a comprehensive list of essential safety gear every traveler should consider bringing, along with detailed explanations of their importance and functionality. A portable door lock is a lightweight device designed to secure your hotel room door from the inside. It can be installed quickly without tools and prevents anyone, even with a key, from opening the door. This added layer of security is particularly helpful if you are traveling solo or staying in accommodations with questionable security. This small device serves a dual purpose. It acts as a physical wedge under your door and emits a loud alarm if someone tries to force the door open. The noise can deter intruders and alert you to the attempted entry. Doorstop alarms are compact, battery-powered, and perfect for travel. A personal safety alarm is a pocket-sized device that emits a loud siren when activated. It's an effective way to attract attention in case of a threat or emergency. Many models also come with additional features like built-in flashlights for dual functionality. A travel-safe security pouch is designed to protect your valuables, such as passports, credit cards, and cash. Made from slash-resistant materials, these pouches often include a locking mechanism to secure them to furniture or other fixed objects in your room. A portable safe offers a secure place to store your important belongings. These compact safes are often made of steel and come with combination or key locks. They can be attached to immovable objects like a bed frame or desk, ensuring that your items remain secure. Not all hotels have reliable smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, especially in older or budget accommodations. A portable detector can be placed on a flat surface in your room to monitor air quality and alert you to potential dangers. A reliable flashlight is essential in case of power outages. Choose a durable model with a long battery life and a bright beam. Rechargeable options with USB compatibility are especially convenient for travelers. An RFID blocking wallet or passport holder protects your personal information from electronic theft. These items prevent unauthorized scanning of your credit cards or passport by thieves using RFID skimmers, which is a growing concern in crowded areas. An emergency whistle is a simple yet effective tool for attracting attention during emergencies. It doesn't rely on batteries, making it a dependable safety device. You can use it to signal for help in situations such as a fire or personal safety threat. A compact multi-tool with safety features can be incredibly useful. Look for one that includes a seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, screwdriver, and small knife. It's a versatile tool for emergencies and minor repairs. A power bank ensures your electronic devices stay charged during emergencies. Opt for one with a high-capacity battery that can charge multiple devices at once. Some power banks also include built-in flashlights for added utility. A motion sensor alarm detects movement in your room and emits a loud sound to alert you to potential intruders. These portable devices are easy to set up and can be placed near doors or windows for added security. A travel bed bug spray. Bed bugs can be a traveler's nightmare, and they are notoriously difficult to detect in hotel rooms. A travel bed bug spray is a must-have to protect yourself from these pesky pests. This spray is specially formulated to eliminate bed bugs on contact and prevent infestations. It's safe to use on mattresses, bedding, and even your luggage, ensuring that you don't accidentally bring unwanted guests to your hotel. Choose a non-toxic, travel-size option that is easy to carry and safe for humans and pets. Before unpacking in your hotel room, spray around the bed, sofa, and other upholstered furniture as a precaution. A hidden camera detector scans your hotel room for unauthorized surveillance devices. These detectors are compact and can identify cameras hidden in objects like smoke detectors, alarm clocks, or power outlets. A small travel first aid kit contains essential medical supplies such as bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and adhesive tape. It's an essential item for addressing minor injuries or illnesses during your trip. A fireproof document bag provides a safe place to store important items such as passports, travel insurance, and cash. These bags are resistant to fire and water, offering protection against unexpected disasters. An anti-theft backpack is designed with security features such as hidden zippers, slash-resistant materials, and lockable compartments. It ensures your belongings stay safe, whether in your hotel room or while exploring the city. A portable UV sanitizer wand. Hotel rooms may appear clean, but high-touch surfaces like remotes, light switches, and bathroom handles often harbor germs and bacteria. A portable UV sanitizer wand uses ultraviolet light to disinfect surfaces quickly and effectively, killing up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and requires no chemicals, making it a convenient and eco-friendly choice for travelers. Simply wave the wand over surfaces for a few seconds to sanitize them. This tool is especially useful during flu seasons or in areas with less stringent cleaning standards, giving you peace of mind about your room's cleanliness. A collapsible water bottle with a built-in filter ensures you have access to clean drinking water, even in areas with questionable water quality. Staying hydrated is crucial during emergencies or extended stays. Although not a physical piece of gear, carrying printed copies of your travel insurance policy and emergency contact numbers is vital. Store these documents in a waterproof case or fireproof bag for easy access during emergencies. Ensuring your hotel safety while traveling is a combination of being prepared and having the right tools at your disposal. By packing these 20 essential items, you can safeguard your belongings, enhance personal security, and prepare for emergencies. A proactive approach to safety allows you to enjoy your travels with peace of mind. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide on essential hotel safety gear helps you stay safe and stress-free during your travels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future travel tips. Let me know in the comments which gear you always take with you on trips, or if there's something new you'll be adding to your packing list. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.